Begin by stopping any spinning motion and stabilizing the toilet before attempting to remove the corroded bolt. When a toilet bolt spins or its nut will not back off, start by cutting power to any nearby electrical outlets and laying down towels to protect the floor and catch debris. Use penetrating oil around the nut and let it soak for at least 30 minutes to loosen corrosion, then tap lightly with a hammer to break rust bonds. If the bolt continues to spin with the nut, use long needle nose pliers or locking pliers to firmly grasp the bolt shank from above while an assistant turns the nut, keeping pressure steady to prevent further spinning. For bolts with play inside the flange, compressing the bolt against the flange can create the clamping friction needed to turn the nut. Use a 5-in-1 tool or a flat bar to press down on the bolt head and hold it as you turn the nut. If gripping the bolt is impossible, carefully lift the toilet straight up a few inches to compress the bolt into the flange. Then hold that position while you loosen the nut. Set the toilet down gently afterward. When all else fails and the bolt head is irreparably corroded, use a small angle grinder or a rotary cutting tool with a metal cutting disc to safely grind the bolt head off. Then remove the toilet and extract the remaining stud from the flange using pliers or a bolt extractor. Common mistakes include trying to force the nut with excessive torque, which strips the bolt and risks cracking the porcelain, so always apply steady controlled force and stop if the toilet rocks or the porcelain feels stressed. Another frequent issue is failing to protect the floor and flange from metal debris when grinding, so place a metal tray and towels to catch hot filings and cool the area with water if needed. A third problem is attempting to pry the toilet off the bolts while only wiggling it side to side, which can damage the wax seal and break the bowl. Instead, lift straight up using two people or a lifting strap to maintain even pressure. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a community space for project discussions and troubleshooting. We help contractors find work by making it easy for them to join conversations, share expertise, and respond to homeowner questions.